What's up, everyone? Got this Subaru Visor. This part won't stay up, so we're replacing it, and it's pretty easy. It's just these two screws, and here's my new one. And so when you take the two screws out, it'll pop out, and then you got your new one here, and you just line these holes up and put the screws in, and your new one should stay up. Now with that dang, just pop this out on this side, like that. Done. For my new one, I'll just probably put this part in right here, and then you could twist this to get the holes lined up. Oh, maybe you can. Okay. Alright, so what we're going to do then is take this out and put this screw side in first, and do it to where you can line up the holes, and then put the screws in. Okay, actually you can. I just twisted that, and I brought this over here so I could just have it hold it in place while I screw these in. Alright, and you can snug them down, but that's it, guys. Alright, I'll put the part number from the dealer after the video, so thanks for watching.